Come test drive the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, power sliding rear window, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, push button start, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.